Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. Hear me say hello and welcome. Welcome or welcome back. Glad to see you. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I'm having a great day. I got tickets to see The Cure in June, which is amazing. And I'm going to unbox the Eyescream Beauty Box for March 2023. This is a $25 a month box and includes shipping. And I was really pleasantly surprised by the box last time. It's got the packing peanuts, which I don't care for. And it's March. It says, lucky to have you. And so let's get rid of these peanuts. Somebody said they might be biodegradable. I'll never know, because they just go in my garbage. It'd be cool if they were. And there's an exclusive palette this month, and it is very cool. This is it. It's supposed to have duochromes and mattes. It's Saints, Angels, and Sinners Cosmetics. It's a yummy palette made with love for Eyescream Beauty exclusively. Very cute with a little bunny rabbit. It looks the same there. And this is beautiful. This is a beautiful palette, and I totally love these colors. And I'm totally going to be using them in the near future. And that is gorgeous. And that's why I subscribed, because I wanted to get this exclusive palette. That's why I joined Eyescream Beauty. And then we have some matte lip gloss. Okay, number one, lip gloss can't be matte because it's a gloss. So that's an oxymoron. And this is Kevin and Coco matte lip gloss set. It says, usage, rotate the lip gloss cove after lip brush is unscrewed and paste on the brush is evenly applied to the lips. And let's get in here. It's sealed up. I only use matte lipstick, liquid matte lip. I just like my longevity to be there for me. It's really beautiful packaging. I love the green and purple it goes with the palette. And it's got six lip glosses. And let's take a look and see what kind of colors we have. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's kind of a wine color. I'm not going to put it on my hand because I'll probably use these as gifts to go with my Mercari orders. You know, as a little bonus. Oh, that's really pretty. It's real close to what I'm wearing. So I'm not going to do every single one of these, but we can see that there's a nice range of colors from like a light to dark. So that's pretty cool. Let me put that back in a little slidey arm. Now we still have 3 things left. This is a makeup base from Base de Maquillage BP. Is that Bella Pierre? Let me get my glasses. Makeup base. It doesn't say, but it's a nice, you know, white person flesh tone, which would be good for, you know, makeup base. Then we have from Bella Pierre Cosmetics Liquid Gold Platinum, and it's the same BP, so that's a Bella Pierre product also. And this is Platinum Liquid Gold. And I guess this is like a liquid highlighter. Just a little dab will do ya. You don't need a lot with a liquid highlighter. But that's really pretty. I like to use liquid highlighters underneath my foundation to give an extra glow. Then we have from Queen Beauty, it is, it's hard to know what it is. It doesn't say. It's, oh, Bow Down Transparent Brow Glue. Nice, everybody needs a brow gel. Oh, it's very cute. Just the right size for brows. Well, that is the box. We got a brow gel, a liquid highlighter, an eyeshadow base, some lip glosses, and a fantastic palette. So overall, very much worth the $25. The palette's worth probably more than that. And I'm very happy with the box this month. I hope that you've enjoyed me unboxing it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.